Welcome to our place in Sicily, where we are renovating a 31-room abandoned palazzo on the slopes of a volcano. And if you haven't been following us yet, you should check us out because finally, we've been on hold since February and things are happening. That was a wall yesterday. This had sheetrock on it. This had sheetrock on it. Let's take a look at what they did 2 business days before we were even supposed to start. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. I'm so excited. So if you're already following along with our renovation, you will know that we are in the Casa di Ospiti, the guest house. Down this way is our kitchen. Love that bright sunny glare. We already had removed the stucco from these walls and parched it with a humidity barrier. And then we had taken a look at the ceiling over the rooms over here, and let's just say they needed to be redone. When we're doing that, we needed to fix some walls and some structures. So there used to be a wall here. There will be a wall again, but we had to take it down. It was a very thin wall. You can see how thick this is. This wall was just like probably like 8 centimeters thick, just built afterwards with brick. But for those of you who've been following, well, I mean, this is interesting for anybody, but what we can tell here is that this used to be like an outdoor space, similar to our other outdoor spaces. There was an arch here, and you can see this arch is a little bit harder to see, a little bit better if I hide that shine, and then one more arch here. And we were hoping we could raise the ceiling there. I don't know what we'll do. Maybe we'll just make that a half arch. We'll see. I don't know. We'll have to figure that one out because that's our hallway. I can't open the whole thing because that would open into our bathroom, which would be weird. And this part, so there will be a wall here, and this is the studio. We're gonna take that light and use it in another room. And then this was the hallway and the bathroom. I'm gonna walk very slowly and very carefully. So that wall remained the same, and that remained the same. But this wall now has all of the stucco taken off of it, like you can see here. I mean, it literally looks like a bomb went off. This wall was interesting because there was a wall in front of it that was just like 2 inches away. We're not sure why they did that. It didn't really add a lot to it, but we had already taken that down, and now we've taken this down. So let me go into the bedroom carefully here. I don't know how these guys don't end up with broken ankles, but we can see there was some kind of, this is maybe the doorway was here before, maybe it was a bigger doorway. This doorway, we're going to keep the sort of space, but close the door to make probably a built-in shelving unit. And you can see here, this is where we could see through to 1 floor up. So it's poking through to check what floors need to come out upstairs. And I believe this is the corner where we need to do the most structure on the next floor up. So we're strengthening the wall down here so that we can strengthen the wall upstairs and tie everything together and make that safe in case of, you know, anything. An earthquake. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter in case of a volcano, but it's so funny to come in here. I feel bad for the guys who already had come in and like banged up the walls. You can see where the walls were, so that new stucco would stick. But, you know, so's the case in a renovation. So, while it feels a little bit like something crazy hit here. This is some serious work these guys did, and new guys on the job. We've added to our team, or really Stefano, our builder, has added to his team, which is awesome, and we're so excited to have them on board. And obviously they passed the test. Great work today. So, and these doors, well, hopefully they'll fit the holes once we turn around. We had already ordered these are just the casings, before we decided, oh no, we have to stop and replace these ceilings. So, but anyways, I hope you're as excited as we are. If you don't already subscribe, like, there is no time to waste, because they are moving with a vengeance, a good vengeance. I don't know, come si dice good vengeance in Italiano? Thanks for taking a look at my less is done house. There was so much more of this done before. And we'll see what happens tomorrow and the next day. I think we're gonna have to start putting videos together. We can't just do these like every day. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to record every day so you guys can really see what's happening, even if we all lump them together and do a video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.